Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some sorrel. So coming to the end of the year, you can find these in abundance. There are lots of vans along the sides of our highways selling these sorrel, fresh sorrel, but you can actually find dried sorrel now, so you can actually get sorrel drink made and enjoyed all year round. Today we are going to be using these fresh sorrel to make our sorrel drink. So the ingredients for our sorrel drink, pretty straightforward guys. So we're going to be using fresh sorrel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean it just now. We're going to be boiling that in some water with some cinnamon sticks, some clove, some fresh ginger, and afterwards we are going to be sweetening it with some sugar. So this is what it looks like when you remove the seed. You're just going to cut around it and just pull it out. Easy like that. It does require some patience though to clean all of this, but if you like your sorrel drink, you know, why not? So you're just going to do that for all, and then we're just going to boil it. So I just finished after a very long time, finished removing the seeds from all of them. So I'm just going to rinse this now and just fill it up with some, put it in a pot, fill it up with some water, add the cinnamon sticks and cloves, ginger, and let it boil. So it's in the pot with some water. I'm adding some fresh ginger to it. I'm adding 2 of these cinnamon sticks, and I'm adding some about 6 of the clove. Just drop everything in. So we're going to leave this on, and we're going to bring it to a boil and leave it on the stove for between 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to remove it from the heat and let it sit for a couple of minutes after that. It's been boiling for about 30 minutes. I'm turning off the heat now, and I'm just going to leave it and let it cool, and then we're going to strain it. You can strain it immediately if you want to, but I'm going to just let it sit for a couple of minutes. If you want to get a stronger taste, leave it for a little longer. So the next step guys is just to basically strain this. You want to remove all of this from it. So now it's time to sweeten our sorrel, and this part is of course up to you guys, so you can add as much sugar as you feel necessary. So thanks so much for watching guys. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share with all your friends and your family, and of course be sure to try out this sorrel drink recipe.